I've got the Fabfitfun Beauty Lover box. So if you want to see what they curated together, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. It's hanging out with me and Chloe's at school, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Fabfitfun Beauty Lovers box. So it's a way to kind of get more of the things from customization without having to pay as much, just because those add-ons do start to add up, particularly in category A or category 1, 2. There was another high price category in there, but it was like 5, I think. I'm not really sure. But let me show you what they put together. So first they put together these robe curls. Now I do have one of these, actually not from this brand, from a different brand that's I think a little bit nicer actually than this, because it comes with like a clip to keep it in place on top of your head, and these are thicker. But actually for me, this might be better than those thicker ones. So the theory is you put this on your head and then you roll your hair into it, and then in the morning you just take it out and you have beautiful curls. So the one I have is thicker, so it's better for longer hair, but this one seems kind of thin, so this might actually work better for my hair. And it does have 2 little silky scrunchies to hold it in with. Next, we have the Cloud Airlight Volumizing Mousse from AG Care, and I have very thin, fine hair, so excited about this product in here. By Pat McGrath Labs, we have the liquid liner in black. By Tula, we have their 24/7 skin moisturizer. I love the Tula line. By OC, we have their facial cleanser, and I've had this in the mini size and loved it. It's got a great scent, very kind of fresh ocean breeze, kind of sea salty scent. And this company is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and out of California. And then the Dibs Desert Island Duo. Now this supposedly is like a huge TikTok trending product. I have no idea, but here we go. So we have the blush side and the bronzer side. And there is how they look. Now, obviously, I did a big stretch of it. But I think I rubbed it in pretty good. So as you can see, that's a perfect match for my skin tone, and cute little pinky, and the bronzer is really nice too. All right, so what do you think of the beauty box? I am pretty excited about it. I wanted all of these items. Well, to be fair, this was not something I was interested in, but now that I see it in person, I'm actually pretty excited about it because I think that's going to work better on my hair. So I will give it a try and keep you guys updated. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button and that notification bell over there, or it could be over here, wherever it is, and hopefully I'll see you soon.